a little music to send us off. Here's new guide, Ahmed. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu warahmatullah, ahlan wa sahlan.
And your name is?
Hassan.
There's a big hunk of alabaster. We stopped along the road.
By the way, there is a...
They're like crystals. Alabaster.
like crystals. Some people they call it crystal, and some people they
You
call
could
it
call
alabaster.
it alabaster, you can call it crystal, whatever you want.
It's famous for us with alabaster. But there is area between Farafra and the Dakhla. They call this
The Crystal
place
Mountain.
Crystal Mountain.
We went there 2 years ago to the Crystal Mountain.
Yeah.
I sat in
The
there,
thing.
I tried to meditate. I went, felt no vibrations, nothing. There are approximately 8 small towns on the way to Dakhla Oasis, and each one is named after either a famous country or a capital. Paris, Baghdad, Kuwait, and then they named one Kolak. We are in Dakhla Oasis and it's time for lunch. It took a little less than 4 hours from Luxor. They assured us that it's spring water, that it's good water. If we get the King Tut trots, right, Sonny? If we get the King Tut trots, we'll know where. Tahina and my favorite Egyptian breads. They just brought vegetables, soup, and we still have chicken to go. And here's the chicken. Now you can see the entire.
Would you like to drink something?
Entire lunch. The Temple of Hibis is the best preserved temple in the western desert, built in typical Egyptian style by Darius I from Persia. We're driving off-road right now. Driver Hassan is searching for the perfect camping spot. It's very, very windy. Sand is blowing like crazy. Reminds me of a sandstorm. We are not camping after all in the desert tonight because it's like a mini sandstorm outside. So instead, we are right in Dakhla, sort of outside of Dakhla, at this really adorable little complex. I'll have to video tomorrow when I can see. Right now it's dark out. Bathroom. I'm extremely impressed. I never expected to find anything of this caliber in an oasis. Dinner in Dakhla at Ahmed Hamdi's restaurant. We walked in and we see the Explorer Worldwide sign. We've traveled with them many, many times. 2 Coca-Colas, please. And for dinner, salad, rice, tahina. I don't know what these are. It's a... This is a vegetable, but it was unbelievably spicy, whatever it is. Bread. That is spinach. I thought it was beans. Stewed. And chicken. This is enough for 50 people here. Yeah. It's still pretty darn windy out. This is where we stayed last night at Bedouin Camp in El Duhos Village. Guest is always welcome. The Bedouin believe a guest is the guest of God. They have a great collection of rocks. There's Hassan. Fine, thank you. There are the camels coming to the camel house. He said there's about 100 of them. Where the green stops and the sand begins, you can go for 1,000 kilometers and see nothing but sand, sand, and more sand. Breakfast at Bedouin Camp. My kind of breakfast. I love their breads, their flat breads. Eggs too.